So guys, alas 6 na. So final ano na to ng stage. So mamaya lang guys is mag-uumpisa na yung beauty pageant ng Central Mining Company. Search for Miss CMC. Ayan. So dito mamaya ang kainan guys, dinner. Dito po yung mga judges. Ayan. So bibisitahin natin ngayon guys yung final touch ng painting nung nagpipaint ng Miss Queen or Miss CMC 2024. Yan. Wow, ganda. Talaga naman, ang ganda. Ang galing niya guys, oh. Talagang queen yung niya. Ang ganda ng corona. Okay, this is the one you are following. Oh, okay. So, but it's okay na. It's very nice.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Take interview.
Yeah, okay. So, is it difficult to do this? Is it difficult for you?
Small difficult.
It's very difficult. Because you said
Not small.
it's difficult ba? But you done very well. You know? So, can you tell me what is this you are painting? Can you tell me what is this? So, ayan nga guys, magaling siya mag-paint. So, nagpe-paint siya sa mga every blocks ng dito sa compound ng Mining Century. Kaya kinuha din siyang mag-paint netong display or background ng beauty pageant ngayong gabi. Kasi meron silang gaganapin na beauty pageant, search for Miss CMC 2024. Kaya nag-paint siya ng ganyan. So actually hindi yan yung kanyang expert, parang sideline niya or skills niya ba mag-paint. Ang expert niya is nasa drilling siya, So isa siyang stop dito sa Mining Century, dito sa minahan. So as makikita nyo guys, andito ako muli dito sa kabundukan ng minahan ng ating mga kapwa Pinoy. So, ayan guys, malapit nang magsimula ang beauty pageant dito sa minahan. So, ayan yung stage na ginawa namin. Simple lang siya. Ayan, walang maraming decoration. Simple but rock